What can traders learn from Santa? His success is all about three things: planning, timing, and knowing exactly what to deliver. Trading works the same way. Preparation, knowing when to enter and exit, that's the key. But Santa's biggest success, his helpers. Every trader needs a strong support system. That's where I come in. Join my Successful Traders Club. Well, it's still free. I share everything: when I enter, when I exit, and the exact moves I make. You just follow my lead, pick your straight point, and get results like 19,000 others. Want in? Here's the holiday bonus. I'm giving you a complete trading plan. Not just advice, but a step-by-step guide to make your first 500 in a day, even if you're a beginner. Click the link in the description or pinned comment, message me, and claim your gift today. Alright, I'm all set up. Let's quickly pick our key players. Done. Now to set up the indicators. Everything's ready. All right, our first patient today. Here is the situation. I see the resistance level has been broken and the indicators are confidently pointing up. So let's ride this impulse upward. Aha, just as expected, it's climbing. The first session is like a morning workout. Nice and energetic. Let's move on. Now, this one's interesting. A slowdown after a big drop. It's like the market took a deep breath and went, "Phew, that's enough." The indicators are tired of hanging low and are starting to climb back up. Let's give it a chance for an upward correction. Now that's what I call a solid start. Moving on to the next one. And here is a gift for you. Today you can get an extra 50% added to your deposit, but only the first 15 people who message me, "I want a promo code," will get it. Click the link in the description, send me a message, and be one of the lucky first. Don't wait, go for it. Next up, we've got a tech giant here. I see the correction is over and the indicators are like, "Hey, we're back in action." It'd be seen not to follow the trend. All right, Apple, don't let me down. I'm rooting for you. Boom! That's what I call a reliable teammate. Everything went perfectly. No time to relax though, let's keep going. Next up, AltPal MX. This one's straight out of the textbook. The trend is moving up, took a little break for a correction, and now the indicators are charging back up like a battery. What does that mean? That's right, the trend will continue. And there it is, trend confirmed. Who is the genius here? Oh, our first player is back, but now the situation's different. After a long climb, the market's clearly slowing down. Indicators are saying we've hit the peak. You know what that means? Time for a correction downward. Bingo! That's what it means to feel the rhythm. On to the next one. Christmas is a time for celebrations, but the markets can get volatile. And that's your chance. In my Traders Club, I show exactly how to navigate this, predict movements, and claim your slice of the pie. Wanna join? Click the link in the description or the pinned comment to become part of the club. I openly share everything I do during sessions, and my followers simply copy it. Many are already receiving 500 a day. They are buying MacBooks, helping their families, and preparing amazing holiday gifts. Don't miss out. It's time to get started. Now, here's a totally different story. The market's taken off like a rocket, surging straight upward. The indicators are all in agreement, like, we're with you. And I'm like, all right, count me in. Jumping in on the movement. Hang on tight. Wow, that's some power, just as planned. Let's wrap it up. And here's our favorite tech giant back in action. Here's the setup. The impulse has reached a level, and on the left side of the chart you can see an accumulation it previously broke upward from. All right, we're going for a retest and expecting a bounce. As they say, Apple never disappoints. Let's see what you've got. Oh, what a beautiful finish, friends! That's what working with a strategy and understanding the market looks like. All right, friends, that was a fantastic and action-packed session, but it's time to wrap things up. My followers are waiting for me to host more sessions and share trading insights. Here's what you can do right now to keep things moving. Click the link in the description and the pinned comment. Join my Successful Traders Club. Message me, claim your awesome gifts, and start taking action today. See you soon!